Diyan na ang ating bagong sasakyan. Oh. So here's a new car. Look. What's the color of our new car?
White.
Right. Good job. Do you want to do it? Yeah. Careful. Be careful.
No.
Okay. Oh, good job, Lini. Wow, doing a great job. Woo. Oh, enough. You can have the rest. Do you want a drink? Yeah. This is for Atis. Water bottle. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It is last day school na to Paris for this week. And we are dropping her to school now. Good morning, Lini. Shush. Inom tubig. Wala lang. Wow lang. Here. Say morning, guys. Water. This is Ate Paris' water. Bag. Lagi uhog na ang ating baby girl. Good job! Thirsty? Show your crispy. Wow, look at this. We bought this yesterday from Kmart kasi hindi talaga siya alis.
Bear.
What is it?
Bear.
What is it?
Bear.
We don't talk about Bruno, no. It's Maribel dress from Encanto. Do you like it? She's so happy, guys. You got no idea kung gaano siya kasaya kahapon. Yes? Wow, so beautiful.
Bang.
Mirabelle!
Bear.
Mirabelle, you're my Mirabelle. We don't talk about Bruno, no. It was my wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. Alrighty. Finito kam na na. Si Mami niyo ay. Oh, ubo-ubo pa rin. Diyos ko, Lord. Yeah, Ate Paris is here. Morning, Ate.
Funny.
She's so busy with... She's acting like she's a teacher, guys.
No, I'm not.
Morning. Daddy's here.
Ow!
Morning, Daddy.
Morning. Kiss morning.
Love you. Say bye-bye na, Daddy. Ay.
Bye-bye.
Yo, bye-bye, Daddy. Ling. Here you go. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Love you.
Give Daddy a kiss, quick. Give Daddy a kiss, quick. You too, Ate. Come on. We're gonna go.
Love you.
Come on. Yan siya. Aalis din siya. Titingnan niyo yung sarili niya sa mirror. We are now dropping Ate Paris to school. You ready, Ate? Seatbelt on?
Wayne.
Wait! Yeah, because Daddy cleaned it. Tingnan nyo. Basta sa taas. Daming tubig kasi niliguan ni Daddy Mike yung sasakyan natin kaninang umaga. So today, after dropping Ate Paris sa school, uuwi tayo dito sa bahay. We have to take the car seats off, clean the inside, labas lahat ng mga dito, mga sapatos and everything. Because today, we are dropping the car for a car repair. Remember?
Let's say when we take it back.
Well, apparently they said 9 days. So I don't know how true that is. Pero 9 days though. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, so idadrop natin yung sasakyan natin. And then we will pick up our new car. So on the 1st of November, tinawagan ko yung insurance namin. Yes, anak?
Before we leave our car,
So, I called the insurance nung Monday. And, anong araw ba yun? To book the, hire car. So, na-book today for 11 o'clock. And, so after kong i-drop yung sasakyan natin doon, apparently, may voucher daw from the, car repair place na magagamit ko para Uber papuntang Avis or budget saan natin pipick upin yung sasakyan natin. So yung sasakyan natin is Kia Sportage. So that's the closest one dito sa ating Nissan Qashqai. So ano din siya, SUV. Kasi I requested na, similar size. Kasi may car seat, may mga, kids, alam niyo yun. So yeah, it's going to be a busy day. So si Ceciline, iiwan muna natin kay Daddy Mike. Kasi, hindi ko pa siya madadala. Hindi ko siya, papunta ko doon, dapat wala ng car seats yung sasakyan natin. And, yeah. So pagbalik dito, then we'll install all the car seats once again. It's not very convenient, but I'm very happy na it's happening now. Kasi, maayos na yung sasakyan, mawawala yun na yung dent, and ano na siya tingnan? Malinis na siya tingnan. Okay. We are here. Ang bilis lang, no? Lapit lang ng school natin, Paris, eh. Okay. Seatbelt off, girls. Seatbelt off, girls. Oh my God. Yung panahon is ulan, init, and may sipon. Ubo na naman ako. Hindi man siya nawala, oy. Thank you, ate, for helping me. Come on, Mirabelle. Yes, Mama help you. Come. You wanna jump? 1, 2, 3. Come on. You have a good day, okay? I love you. What? Tama. Come on. Go. I love you. She's so happy. Alam mo ba? Ayan, meron kasi siyang mermaid na hair clip. So, kapag naglalakad siya, guys, hindi naman umubang kanyang head kasi natatakot siya na matanggal. Yeah! Love. Beautiful hair clip. Is that mermaid? Mermaid hair clip? Gusto pa niya maglaro doon. Hindi ko na pinalaro kasi I have to rush this morning. No. Go home, take the car seats off, and then
My turn.
yeah.
My turn.
Your turn. Okay. Good girl. Good job. Do you like your hair clip? What's the color of your hair clip?
Pink.
Pink. It's a cloudy day today. Wala mga araw na lumabas na. Yes. 1, 2. Go. We're back. We're back. Tatanggalin ko na yung mga car seats ngayon. You gonna help, Mama? Okay.
What?
Mom's gonna take the car seats. Yeah?
Car seat?
Yeah. Just move it to the new car. we call Daddy? Si Daddy can help us. Para mas mabilis. Ito pala yung pa-outfit ko today. Yun yung top Celine and Paris. Bob? Do you think I put that on the taxi?
It's fun, Mom.
Hindi naman ito mahirap, kaya lang.
Wow.
You're going?
I'm going.
Oh, nice bag.
I want.
Do I on? Nini wants on. Okay, go.
Wow. Oh,
Oh, you don't want to? Okay. Kita ko sa inyo, ha? Ito man lang. Hirap tanggalin sa likuran. Ito ba? Oh. Ano ba to?
I don't.
Do you wanna go in there?
Yeah.
You're a silly bum. Yeah. Who? Yeah? Site? Walini. Daw sa bata. Yeah? Okay. Did I talk to the guys? Can you just help me with this one here? It's taking off the inside.
You gotta lift the chair up from the front. Lift it up.
Daddy.
Yeah.
It's clip. It's like a hook, Bob. Here's our car, guys. Nandito na ako. Drive Accident Solutions. So, just drop it. Pasok tayo sa kanilang opisina. Hi! Morning! Picking up the car. It's here. So, nagawa na lahat ng paperwork, guys. It's just going to grab the car now. Ayan, waiting lang here. Andiyan na ang ating bagong sasakyan. Ooh. Alrighty, guys. Here's our car for the next 10 days. Ayan. So, remember I said Kia Sportage, for some reason, hindi daw available. So, they gave us the Toyota RAV4. Ito. Ayan. Oh, goodness. So, I'm not used to driving this one. So, tingnan natin how we go. I have to be very, very careful. So, adjust natin yung mga mirror, everything. Ang ating windows. Adjust pa more pag may time. So, we're very short dito rin sa kabila. So, this car definitely has got like more space dito sa likuran. I think so. So, medyo malaki to siya kaysa sa ating Nissan Qashqai.
What's that mean? No more candy.
Mommy.
I miss you. I miss you. Did you miss Mama? Did you miss Mama?
Yeah.
Did you cry? Yeah. I just cry, baby.
Mommy.
Huh?
Crying a lot.
Ah. My gosh, I long cry. Mama go toilet first, okay? What would you like?
No more candy. Very good too.
Howie! No, 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 no. Time check tayo, guys. It is 2 something in the afternoon. After 10. So, magre-ready na kami kasi pick upin natin ng ating Ate Paris. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina nung nakauwi ako. Kasi, pinadali ko si Baby Celine. Nakatulog kasi nap time niya. While nandun pala ako sa, yung pinick up ko yung sasakyan. Tinawagan ako ni Daddy Mike kasi si Baby Celine daw ay umiiyak at nasa meeting siya. It's working. Yung sasakyan natin, supposedly, ay sabi nung nag-book ako, sabi Kia Sportage, but it's not available daw. So, yung binigay nila sa atin is yung Toyota RAV4. And sobrang maingat ako sa pag-drive kayo na guys kasi hindi ako sanay. Yung nakasanayan ko sa sasakyan is yung car natin which is Nissan Qashqai. Very similar naman, but I think the RAV4 is longer. Daddy? Isn't it? Wider? Yeah. So, ayun. Nakaraos naman guys. Nakarating naman tayo dito ng safe which is, the main thing. Although, kailangan nating ilagay yung mga car seats sa likuran. And, hindi ko nagawa kanina. Kasi nga, yun, pinatulog ko sa Baby Celine. Kaya ngayon, maglalakad kami ni Baby Celine para pick upin ang ating Ate Paris. Gusto ko siyang bihisan guys. Ayaw niya magbihis kasi yung suot niya is yung binili namin kahapon na dress. So, Palangka! Celine! Come here now. Ayaw niyang yung buhok niya. Ayaw niyang ipatali yung buhok niya. So, ang tawag dito, very babuhaghag ba? Ganon. Ayaw mo niyang ipatali. Anyways, I was just, taking photos nito guys. So, ibenta ko guys. This is, ayan, sa mga taga-Australia. Visit nyo na ang aking eBay store. May mga paninda ako doon guys. This is Louis Vuitton wedges. Maliit lang ito siya guys. Size 35 lang ba to? Kasi 6 ako eh. Medyo, medyo maliit. Pero ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Black na denim. Tapos, meron siyang gold na plaka dyan. Kasabi, Louis Vuitton. Matangkad siya. Oh, tatangkad ka nito. Usutin mo to. Anyways. Now, did you see the car?
Yeah.
What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts of the car?
I never liked Toyota, but
Yeah. Oh, Bobby, you like that one, the one with the strange colors?
I like that one, but I don't like Toyota usually. But they're good cars. They're like the most trustworthy cars.
Very smooth, yeah.
They're just trustworthy. They don't break. But I'm not a fan of the way they look usually. I haven't been inside that one. Is it nicer inside than outside? Nice inside you, man.
Is the pram under the stairs?
Probably.
Alas 3 na ako natulog. Kasi, pinilit kong tapusin yung pagtutupi sa kabilang kwarto, guys. Hindi ko na siya matapos, oy. Lini! Kasi meron kaming inspection kanina. So, alam niyo yung, sa real estate agent, pupunta sila, tapos chine-check nila yung, ewan ko, ba nila ginagawa yun? Every couple of months, maybe? Chine-check nila yung bahay. So, naglinis kami. Si Daddy Mike kanina, habang wala ako, ayan siya na working, linis at the same time, and looking after Celine at the same time. Lynn! Look, we've got watermelon lang! Okay? Tamis. Pulang-pula. Want some, Daddy? Watermelon?
No.
Lini, girl! Alam mo na, we have to pick up Ate na soon lang. So, biglang luminis yung bahay. Alam niyo ba, yung ano namin, especially yung aking bathroom, Lord. It's everywhere. Tapos, naging malinis siya. And, pakita ko sa inyo. So, kagabi, hindi nga kami, kahapon, hindi kami nag-vlog. So, kagabi, ito yung ginawa ko kasi pumunta kami ng Kmart ng mga kids. At bumili ako nito. Ako na yung nag-assemble kagabi ha. Mind that. Ako yung, kaya late na rin ako nakatulog kasi ito yung ginawa ko. Look. So, bumili ako ng, tawag niyan guys. Uy. Move natin, be. Itong shelvings na to, ayan, ako yung nag-ano nito kagabi. So, hindi ako nakatulog ng maaga. But yeah, hindi pa siya naanuhan. Lalagyan ko yan. Bibili ako ng mga, ano yung mga, tawag dun guys. Uy, yung mga plastic na mga, para ma-organize ko yung mga bagay-bagay dyan. Yung mga hair curler, mga hair dryer, ganyan dyan ko ilagay. Dyan. Para may space talaga sila. Yung ko dynamite bakit nilagay dyan. But, yeah, so that one, oopsie. Looks nice there. Lagyan ko lang yung mga dapat ilagay dyan. Para hindi magka kalat-kalat. Kasi dito, hindi ko pa na-organize dito, guys. But, ayan, nalinis na ang, ang mirror. Yan. Tapos si Daddy Mike kanina yung dito, pinasok niya lahat ng mga ari-arian ko dito. Ayan, so i-organize ko yan siya. Ilagay ko yan sa lahat na nilagay, nisulog-sulog niya lahat dyan para malinis din. So here's a new car. Look. What's the color of our new car?
White.
Right, good job.
White.
Here is the car. So medyo talaga siya. I think like it's a little bit longer kumpara sa Nissan Qashqai. Yeah, it's the hybrid RAV4. Ayan. Goodness, we have to be very careful driving that. Alam niyo naman. We can't scratch it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hindi pa namin nalagay yung pram sa loob. Kita ba? So, maglalakad muna kami ni Baby Celine. Nak, hindi ako...
White.
White, that's right. Hindi ako nakadala ng nak. Cup.
Yeah.
Kay mainit na sa ating mukha, anak. Ang malasman natin dito. Good luck. Wow, tingnan nyo. Palagi niyang hinawakan. Takot siyang malaglag ang kanyang hair clip. Wow, beautiful hair clip for the beautiful girl. White, that's right. New car, white. White. It's okay, it's still there. Oh, you there? Did you eat your lunch?
I haven't some of the chicken, but I had a lot of bites of the chicken finally on.
Okay.
I got some bowl of them, but I just didn't eat them all.
Okay. Alright. Alright, Lini, do you want a seat? We can go to the bakery? You wanna go to the bakery? Ate,
Yeah?
can you spot our new car?
That white one? The white one? Not the white one.
What do you think of it? Huh? Which one do you like better?
Right? I think.
No, if you have to choose.
No, good. Well, is this the car? I'll buy this one of these.
What's the color, Ling?
White.
White.
It's white and blue.
Check natin ang ating baby girl. Parang may ginagawang kababalaghan.
Mom! Mom! See me! No! No!
What did you just do?
No.
No, maulit day. Why
No.
are you getting angry?
No.
What have you been doing? Tingnan niyo. She's very cheeky. And yung may ginagawa yan, kaya hindi yan siya umiibig.
I need Matty.
What's that in your hand?
White.
What's white?
I just.
What is that white in your hand? Is that detergent powder?
No.
Is that for the washing?
No.
Is that for the washing, Nini?
No.
Look at this. Nilagay niya sa kanyang balde. Who told you can do that? Ha? Ay, kugis nga sa mong ilong. Who told you can do that? Ha?
No.
No. Go with daddy ka. Wash your hands. Go in the bathroom. The daddy's in the bathroom. Stop playing with the thing lang. It might irritate your skin. Magkatul-katul po ka pa sa mga ate. Go. Ha? Sus, nakalingi lang ko kadyot kayo na namilo ko.
That was.
Tingnan yung kanyang ate.
That was mom.
Nanood ng
That
TV,
was.
nakatulog. Go wash, go. Tiling-ling. Sa Friday night, guys. In-order ni Daddy Mike. Hungry Jacks! Gusto niyang umalis kami kanina. Doon kami kain sa labas. But it's been raining. And hindi pa namin na lagay yung car seat sa sasakyan. So,
Wow.
diba? How about you eat?
Looking at this part.
So we've got like, what's this one? Cheeseburger?
You can have
The store.
chicken or cheeseburger.
Oh, cheeseburger.
Double
Sometimes
cheeseburger.
I just. Or sometimes I
What are you
just
having
drink
there?
Yeah.
What are you having?
See? That's why I pretend all the time because that's why my teacher drinks coffee.
Kami na talaga. Tingnan niyo yung nilagay ni Daddy sa TV, oh. Oh, kain.
There's no
Mga acrobat. Oh.
There's no noise because mommy put a chair over. You can actually just watch
That's
without
right.
hearing the sound.
Are you going in, Day?
Wow.
Nakadress pa.
Is that cool, Paris?
What about? What about?
What about?
What about?
What is it lang?
What about?
Row your boat?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about?
At first, lala ko sabi niya, what about?
What about?
Row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to have some Didi.